Once you are able to control your attention, you will be able to control your reality. And to control your attention, it means that you have to be able to take your attention away from the external things, people, things, situation, especially the situation in your life as it is now, and control your attention and shift it inward toward new thoughts, new mental attitude, new moods, new visualization, new feelings, new emotion. Like if you want to create something different in your life, if you want to shift your reality, in whatever way you want to shift it, you cannot let what is your external environment, life right now, control your attention, because the moment you give your attention to what is, whether it's the problem, the challenges, what you're lacking, what you don't have, or the people or situation that may be present, the more you give your attention there, the more you give your energy there, meaning the more you magnify those things in your life. So you spend your attention there, right? And now you start to think according to what you focus on, right? And now you start to feel, now you start to make decisions, now you start to act a certain way, now you perpetuate that loop. And so if you want to change your life, you gotta be able to notice, observe, pay attention. What do I focus on? Where does my attention go? And how much energy do I give to those conditions, to those situations that I no longer want to experience in my life? The mind has a natural tendency to focus on what we don't like, what we don't want, what's missing, what's broken, our problem, our challenges, right? Everything around us is asking for attention. So the external world is really good at grabbing our attention. Right now, you're watching this video, your attention is on something external, some form of information, right? So at every single moment when you are engaged with the world, your attention is being spent somewhere. And just like an investment, just like where you spend money, depending on where you spend your attention, you will receive something. And so we could say that you are either wasting your attention or that you are investing your attention into something. So what does that mean practically? What can you do practically to control your attention, right? If what is happening in your life right now is not what you want, you're gonna need to learn the ability to think greater. This is something I talk a lot in my channel, right? If your life has been created based on who you are right now, your state of consciousness right now, how you think, how you feel, what you do, your energy right now, then to change anything in your life means that you need to expand your consciousness. You need to expand your self-image. You need to expand your thoughts, your perception, okay? But if you don't pay attention, what tends to happen naturally is that, again, right, your attention is constantly absorbed in what is right now. Everything in the world, everything in your result constantly reminds you of what is. And the more you focus on what's lacking, missing, broken, and so on, the more it grows. So how do you practically apply this? You have to be able to have times, moments in your life where you take your attention away from the external world, away from what is, and to direct it toward what you want it to be. The easiest way to start doing this is to sit down, visualize, or write a journal, gratitude, scripting, affirmation, so many different tools and practice that you can use based on what works naturally for you, right? But it's to have that conscious practice, that conscious exercise to discipline your mind, discipline your attention until you can create that new habit and that new awareness, right? So you can sit down in a 10 minutes, meditation and just really focus on that goal, really focus on those thoughts, really focus on that mood, on that energy that you want to embody, that you want to create more of in your life. Yeah, that is a perfect way to start. And then throughout the day, as you live throughout the day, you just have to remain conscious, just like in the Matrix movie, right? When Neo receives that "wake up, Neo," you have to remind yourself to wake up and to be aware. What am I focusing on? Am I, again, giving my attention to the financial lack in my life, or the people that are annoying me, or the external situation in the world that are creating fear and anxiety in myself? Or am I focusing my attention toward things that are bringing me what I want, that are helping me grow, that are feeding me, right? So am I able to focus toward what I want even throughout the day and stop giving my attention to the people, the things, the situation that I no longer want to experience? Because one of the best way, paradoxically, one of the best way to have anything disappear in your life, especially people that you want to get rid of, is to stop giving them any attention. It's like if you can pretend from your attention, like you block them out, you kind of ghost them from your attention, they will fade away, because what you stop feeding with your thoughts, with your attention, with your energy will dissolve in your life. And then if you can give your attention to what the thing you want to experience, to your thoughts, to the mental pictures, to the actions, the decisions, to the exposure of your environment, what you read, what you watch, what you interact with, the people you spend time, right? So you can arrange your environment. Like I have a lucky cat here and a live lucky symbol here that constantly, subconsciously, when I look at it, always bring my attention toward living lucky, toward abundance, so you can shape your environment around you. Your social media, the things that you have around you, you can shape that with symbols, with signs, with affirmations, with just things that directs your attention toward what you want. This is why people have a freaking, a board. What do you call it? The goal board or the vision board, whatever, right? And they see it, they put it on a wall. It's just to have their attention focused on that subconsciously. So there's so many ways you can take conscious control of your attention, but you need to learn to do that. Because if you let the old subconscious way, habitual way of focusing on the old, what is, what's not working, and what you don't want, you have to imagine that it's like you're sending energy, you're spending money there, you're investing in that stock that's going down every single day, and you wonder, why am I wasting all my money, so to speak, yeah? Instead of investing your attention toward the thing that you want to grow, energize in your life. So I hope this video makes sense. I hope you find practical, valuable, simple information, because it is really, really important. All right, guys, let me know what you think. Write down in a comment what you think. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. I will see you next time. Be well.